Last year never gone well. New year I still can't tell.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Another day, another vlog. Just awake. Going for night this so. Oh yeah, do it for vlog. Camera kinda lean around. Oh nah, deal with it in the morning now. As you know, forward back for a little trip until I don't know, probably sleep today. Feel weak, tired, see me. And good for me like this, so. Baby up?
Yes.
She's up. Oh my God. Thank you, God, for waking me up today. God and protect us, amen. Every time when I wake up, I say I read a prayer, you see me? Anyways, I have some vlog for edit for now. Well, this, what I make. I want to stop, but I can't stop. Reason being, if I stop, I feel like I'm going to lose something. Really, just wake up. I never know the angle I look. I just wake up and draw the computer and the camera. That's bad. It's affected my life. What did I do?
Nothing was changing the covers.
She finally pulled out her ear. She got air. But today, as I say, yesterday I did want to shoot something today. But it kinda raining now, you see me? So if I get for shoot today, I'm not gonna know. I really want to shoot something else. And something else. And something else. You see me? I'm just in a vibes to work right now. Early in the morning. I know I should not talk to you. Should I sleep? But, you know, work have to get done. Video have to make. You see me? Content have to make for you to watch. And that's how the thing said. You see me? There's some little drama thing I want to shoot too. Apart from action. I try to knock out some things, you see me? I'm mad up the thing them, man. I know when I see the quality of the video them change too. Everything when I upload now at 4K. You see me? Even though I have vlog with my phone. Everything when I upload 4K off of the camera and off of the phone. I never really shown you the camera yet, you know. See that, so it sleep next to me. You see me? I have some wireless headphone forward. Hopefully them forward in time. But I know some honestly the views them drop. This time of the year, everything slow down, you see me? So I never don't worry about views. When I watch it ads them. You see me? Because my analytics are go up same way. As long as you know watch it vlog them. You see me? I make money, see me. I can't wait for work on the next project, dog. My skin has scratched me. I don't want to do it, you see me? I know what I go on today. Hopefully I get for shoot. But if not, I definitely go sleep. Because this feel like me to go hurt me today. So I'll probably just sleep. Hopefully I get for shoot. You see me? But this is some update in the morning, yeah, before the vlog start. Where's my tell you now? Make sure you watch Revenge and the next short film when we did drop. You see me? Yeah, boy. This is very good up right now. So journey we do as we read for vlog. Grandmother put myself. Another night again. I'm not gonna lie to you, no. I kinda sleep out today. Reason being, I don't know if I did driving, my body tired, bro. From wake up this okay. From wake up this morning, I never too in no mood for it. If you go up on the road or not like that. My body just drained. You see me? Today I want to shoot something. And it work out, I still not get to shoot it because I be a rain there. the rain kinda ease up now, so I run come out on the road real quick and just reach home back. But me say I have to go now update even when me not do nothing every day. The day me I make sure me go now update on what go on same way. But today me did a try set up something it no work out cause the rain. And this week, Monday week I come. Well, tomorrow Monday, while I watch this on Monday. For sure this week me I gotta shoot. If I not feel Revenge, the other web series, me I gotta shoot something else. Now I link 2 people where I want to start something new with. Like a new, I can't tell you now until me do it, but just know if when me link them I will do the work. If you not follow me on my Instagram, I'm gonna see me post a couple behind the scenes before it reach the vlog and thing. But trust me, work I put in, man, me I make some links for do some collabs and some new equipments are coming again, cause me don't get everything what I want yet. Yeah, wait for that cordless microphone. I think that would be the icing on the cake. I need a wireless microphone. Yeah, I can't ever go around that. Definitely need a wireless microphone. And I don't need no more lens. I have a lot. And the lens me get almost some aperture lens or let in light, you know. Them lens there. But this is just an update vlog. And my girl just found from work, she there in their bed and thing. But I just gotta keep today like a chill out for today. I don't really do too much. I really gotta chill out. Body feel drained. I wanna get some coconut and some fruits over shop and them thing they too. But boy, today me sleep and the rain don't make it no better. The rain fall today just make the place feel cool and nice. You see me? So I knock out today, I'm not gonna lie to you now. But me go on good with the vlog, them consistent pan them your fuck. Me don't miss no day so far, you see me? So we are going good. I want to keep up this until the end of the month, yeah? I want to keep it up till the end of the month, and then I say, oh, I have to start vlog from then. Because I don't want to really do the everyday vlog them every day. I want to do them and then stop and then do them back again, or do them every other day or so, you know? Because I want to make them longer and more shit in them, you know? Then I just sit down and talk. Because I know I can get at least even 30 minutes out a day for a vlog, but I just have to do something, you see me? But if I not do nothing, I go get a normal attack, a update on what I plan and what I have to go on with. But for sure, I want to shoot a music video. I want to shoot 2 more things soon. You see me? So I try to put everything in our work so we can have them things they done. And me forward back and do the comedy video then me not stop. Me never did stop. But me go drop back some little comedy video in the week. For sure. On my Instagram. And on my YouTube reel. You see me? I make some 1-minute video. And yeah, that's the update for now. You see me? Until I figure out what else I go on, I can keep on up to date. But late in the night now, I'm just all the vibes. Sunday I did chill, you see me? Nothing too much no go on, no food cooking, but I don't know big cookings go on, I could have video neither, you see me? I just morely sleep. And my girl did end up I forgot work. I remember me I told her me that for fall back for she got work. So I mostly sleep today, dog. Whew. I'm well rested, you know.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate.